Ignition Yankee 1854 Zulu, wind 320 at 14, gust 19er, visibility 10, view clouds at 3,500, temperature 2, dew point -8, altimeter 3005. Visual approach, runway 26 left in use, landing and departing, runway 26 left and runway 26 right. Advise on initial contact, you have Yankee.
Yankee. Turn our landing light on to signal our intention to move, release our feet from the brakes. 1,000 RPM is almost always sufficient for rolling here. Once we're rolling, we'll make sure we're on the center line. Drag the brakes just a little bit. Felt the resistance there. We don't need any lurches or sudden stops, so the brake check is good. We're going to be very cognizant of the wind today. Wind is coming from this way, so we're going to always be putting in those inputs. Remember, turn into it, dive away from it. Good afternoon, Spirit Ground, Skyhawk 901 Papa Alpha is at Millionaire with Yankee, requesting closed traffic.
Skyhawk 901 Papa Alpha, Spirit Ground, good afternoon, runway 26 left intersection Alpha 2, taxi via Alpha.
26 left at Alpha 2 via Alpha for 901 Papa Alpha. Good afternoon, Spirit Tower, Skyhawk 901 Papa Alpha is at 26 left, Alpha 2 ready for departure.
Skyhawk 901 Papa Alpha, Spirit Tower, hold short runway 26 left, landing traffic.
Holding short, 26 left, 901 Papa Alpha.
Cessna 1 Papa Alpha, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 26 left at Alpha 2 for 901 Papa Alpha. So, Sears Vision, okay, lights.
Musketeer 906 Quebec, frequency
camera, action,
I'll take it for 96 Quebec.
Head on the
96 Quebec, frequency change approved.
I think it's time frequency change approved, 96 Quebec.
We'll want to roll in our inputs, be very cognizant of that.
Vision Jet, 9 Bravo Kilo, you going to Millionaire?
Affirmative, 9 Bravo Kilo.
9 Bravo Kilo, turn right Alpha 6, taxi to Millionaire via Alpha.
Right Alpha 6, Millionaire Alpha, 9 Bravo Kilo.
We'll line up and wait out here, get nice and lined up on the runway.
Cessna 1 Papa Alpha, make right, close traffic for runway 26 right, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, then right close traffic for 26 right, 901 Papa Alpha. So, okay, take your feet off the brakes, over 2 to 3 seconds, we'll put that throttle in. We'll expect the left turning tendencies again to kind of pop off the runway here. It's going to naturally want to weather van into the wind. We're going to climb at VY, which is about 80 miles per hour. And traffic pattern on that side is 1,400 feet. Take the bumps as they come. 400.
Cessna 1 Papa Alpha, extend upwind.
Extending upwind, 1 Papa Alpha.
Cessna 1 Papa Alpha, crosswind approved.
Crosswind, 1 Papa Alpha. And we'll just do some normal crosswind landing.
Cessna 1 Papa Alpha, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 26 right, 1 Papa Alpha. So what we're doing is we want to land on the upwind wing, and we're controlling our longitudinal alignment with the runway with the rudder. Now we're controlling our lateral position with respect to the runway with the aileron. Beam our landing point, everything's going to be pretty normal, except for the method with which we maintain center line. We'll kick that rudder over and we get all the way down here. Kicking the rudder. Take center line with the aileron. Letting your balloon up. And we're just locking right in here. Locking right in. Nice. Flaps up. Roll in the aileron all the way. Full power. Start rolling that out. There's 6 here. Kind of pop up. Weather vane in. And that was good. There are the 3 squeaks. So those 3 squeaks were the upwind main, the downwind main, and then the nose wheel. So that was a nice nose high attitude landing.
Cessna 1 Papa Alpha, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 26 right, and then after this one, can we plan south runway again back to Millionaire?
Cessna 1 Papa Alpha, roger, you can make the left turn for the left downwind.
Left turn after this touch and go for 1 Papa Alpha. We're okay with airspeed. It's all about energy management. Energy management, transferring altitude for airspeed and momentum. There's just a lot to it, especially on days like today. We repeats in. And then as we accelerate again, we roll out the aileron. We pop off weather vane immediately. The reason I kind of like to say popping off the runway, these gusts, is because you don't want to lose a burst suddenly and kind of be, especially in these crosswinds too. I feel like it's better to be a little more aggressive on the rotation because you don't want to find yourself skidding across, laterally across the runway. Alright, so they said left turn out here. So yeah, always listening what's going on. Remember
1 Papa Alpha, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, 1 Papa Alpha. Alright, once payment is assured, we can put the flaps out. Remember, we have a displaced threshold down there. Can't land on the arrows, can take off from them. Got this nice crabbing here. Start taking out some power. I think we can make it. And nicely here. And again, we're controlling our longitudinal alignment with the runway with rudder. And we're controlling our maintenance of the...
Archer 95, 9 golf, make right 360 for space.
Right 360, 905, go.
Holding it off, same principles as always. Let it run out of energy. There we go. Roll it all in there. Roll it all in. Back up in center line nicely. We'll probably make Alpha 5, make Alpha 6. Alright. Rolling that all the way. Alright. Good sound of being on the center line there.
Cessna 1 Papa Alpha, turn right Alpha 6, contact ground point 7.
Alpha 6 and ground point 7, thanks for help. 1 Papa Alpha.
No problem.
Alright. Spirit ground, Skyhawk, 901 Papa Alpha, off at Alpha 6 at 26 left, back to Millionaire.
91 Papa Alpha, Spirit ground, back to Millionaire via.
Millionaire via Alpha for 1 Papa Alpha.
So only when the propeller stops spinning should we actually turn off the magnetos, because we want to make sure we've exhausted all the fuel in the engine before we actually ground the magneto system. So if the propeller actually turned, we didn't accidentally fire a cylinder or anything. But thanks for joining me. That was a fun crosswind practice, and blue skies and tailwinds.